Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoCharts YouTube channel. If you are new to channel, kindly like and subscribe to the video. And in today's video, we are going to understand some of the few hidden indicators that are present on the TradingView platform. The first indicator that I will be talking about is Trader Lion's Enhanced Volume Indicator. How do we apply that indicator? Go to the indicator section and type Enhanced Volume, and you will see an indicator known as Trader Lion's Enhanced Volume. We will click on that, and then the indicator gets plotted on the chart. So this is basically used to identify advanced volume analysis for the stock. Here you will see multiple number of bars in different colors. These are all relative volumes. The green color bars or the light green color bars are known as the highest volume bars that are present in the past 10 days of trading. So basically, whenever you're looking for stocks that are closing at the day's high, and also you look for volume breakout, then these green bars are going to help you to identify these kinds of volume days. Now these are known as pocket pivots. Basically, pocket pivots are a sign of institutional accumulation that happens over a period of time. And on this day, basically the stock price had the highest volume day compared to the previous 10 days of the volume down days, right? So basically what we are looking for is, if the stock price had a down volume day, let's assume that the stock price had a last 10 days, it had some down volume days. Now whenever we see a big green volume bar, this means that this is basically the highest volume bar that is present compared to the last 10 down volume days, right? So now what does down volume days mean? Down volume days basically means whenever the price has fallen, what is the volume on that day. Now the blue line is basically an up volume day. That is, normally whenever the price has risen, then that will be represented in the blue bar. The pink bar will be represented as a down volume day whenever the price is falling, so that will be known as a blue volume bar. And this indicator can help you to identify the highest volume bar within a period also, uh, let's say in the past 1 year, and it can help you to identify the highest volume bar post its IPO. So there are a lot of features of this indicator. It can help you to identify the average volume of over a period of time, and what is the total volume of that particular day, what is the difference in volume compared to the previous volumes, right? So this indicator automatically plots the color, and the relative volume is used to identify how the volume analysis is playing out in that particular script. If you want to understand more about Trader Lion's enhanced volume indicator, you can click on the read more button that is present on the right hand side. So once we click on that, the detailed explanation of all the relative volume bars is explained in a good manner, where we have relative volume bars, we have low relative volume bars, highest volume ever, highest volume in over a year, highest volume since IPO. We can apply simple moving averages on the relative volume bar, up and down volume, percentage change compared to the previous volume. So this is the highest ever volume identified above the volume bar. So these volume bars can help you to identify different things, and you can analyze your own on your own depending upon the volumes that is present on the chart. The second indicator that we are going to talk about is revolutionary volatility bands with range contraction. So we will type here revolution volatility. So you will see an indicator named like revolution volatility bands with range contraction that has around 987 members using it. So once we click on that, the indicators get plotted on the chart. This is basically a modified version of the Bollinger Bands that are used to understand volatility contraction. So basically, as you can see here, the dark blue lines that you can see is basically the time whenever the stock price is trying to contract into a range. So if you are a player, or if you are a trader who likes to trade contraction, or who likes to trade, let's say, volatility contraction, triangle pattern breakouts, or wedges breakout, then this indicator can help you to identify those areas of congestion. So for example, in case of Ceylon exploration, you can see that the stock price is now trying to come into a very tight range and will soon try to break out above that area. So you can see here also that the stock is in a tight range, and the revolution volatility bands are in dark blue color. So whenever we have a dark blue color that is appearing on the indicator, that means the range is contracting and anytime the stock can break out. So to understand more about the indicator, you can click on the read more icon, and hence uh, we will understand more about that. Let's say I will click on the read more. Now this is the indicator, and this is one of the most simple and easy to use indicator. Essentially volatility bands with a technical analysis pattern such as the triangle or the wedge pattern, which are giving us a contraction signal. Whenever the price is written in blue, overall the volatility is falling, and whenever the outer bands start to flatten up in blue, a contraction signal is forming. Works with any length of your choosing, or so you can define how much length that you want to put. For example, here we are going to put as a 20 length. We can select here as 10 also. Then it will calculate the data based on the past 10 days or so, right? So the more the number, more the period, more will be the data, and lesser the period, lesser will be the data. So this indicator can help you to identify areas of congestion, and as you can see, whenever we have a tight range, the stock will now try to break out above that area. Let's see one more example, like Kotak Mahindra Bank. Whenever we have a tight range breakout, for example, here we see the stock was trying to form a kind of triangle pattern. I will just hide that chart and that, right? So we can even change the length from 10 to 20. Then as we increase the length, definitely we will require a more tighter contraction, and hence more the data, lesser will be the accuracy over a period of time. The third indicator that we are going to talk about is higher high lower low indicator, that also plots the higher high higher low. Now this indicator is basically used for trend following and momentum trading. Now we are going to type higher high and lower low. Once you type that, you will see a lot of indicators by that name. We are going to select by lonesome, and it has around 2983 members using it. So as we click on that, you will see that some lines are getting plotted, and basically this is an indicator that can be used to identify the structure of higher high higher low. Now what is higher high higher low? Basically whenever we are trend following, we are looking for a structure of stock that is in a clear momentum in an upward direction or in a downward direction. So higher high higher low structure is basically whenever a stock makes new high and a new low, so the previous high and lows should be maintained. So in this case, this was the initial high, right? And next time whenever the stock rallied, this became a new high, and third time the stock rallied, this became the new high. And you will also see that the stock is shifting its lower lows on the upper side. So the lows are getting shifted on the upper side. So this is known as higher high higher low structure, HHHL structure. Now whenever we see a stock that is forming a lower high lower low structure, that is known as a downtrend. So stock is in a bearish mode, and any kind of rise are going to is going to help us to find as opportunity in case of shorting. So this is the resistance area the stock has. Here this becomes the area of support, also known as the previous swings. This is also known as previous swings, that is in case of resistance area. Here we look at the chart of HSCL. We can see that the stock is in a sideways momentum and there is no clear cut trend. So if you want to understand whether a stock is in a trending market or not, or whether how the stock is trending, let us check the chart of Tata Elxsi. Here if we look at the chart of Tata Elxsi, and currently I am using the weekly time frame, you will see that the stock is in a structure of higher high higher low, where the highs are getting shifted higher high higher low higher low. Now if we look at the daily time period, you will also see a similar structure where the structure is higher high higher low majority of the time, and within that major trend you will see a lower high lower low structure sometimes, or higher high lower low structure. A combination of any could be there. So these are the major swings that the stock is making here. Example is this, and these are the minor swings that the stock is making. So this is indicator which can help you to identify the overall trend of the stock, and you can use this indicator with a combination of other indicators to improve your accuracy or to improve your trading. And this gets plotted dynamically as and when you change the time frame. So if you use 5-minute time frame, it will plot the higher high higher low depending upon that time frame. It is advised to use this structure, or it is advised to use this indicator on a bigger time period so that you get a little more accuracy, such as a daily and weekly time period, so that you can get more accuracy. The fourth and the final indicator that we are going to talk about is dynamic support and resistance. This indicator can plot dynamic support and resistance based on any time frames that you choose. If you are trading intraday, then you understand how much is the problem if you are using multi time frame analysis to mark different support and resistance at different time periods. So go to the indicators section and type here resistance and support. Now, once you type support and resistance or resistance and support, basically we are going to select the indicator by lonesome, the previous guy only, which has around 9,166 members using it. So if we click on that, the support and resistance get plotted automatically in green and red color. So the red line is known as the resistance line and the green line is known as the support line. So here, if you look at the chart, you can see that the resistance line is mentioned with the price levels and how much percentage is the resistance line above the current market price, and how much below the support line is from the current market price. So for example, here if we look at the 15-minute chart of Bajaj Finance, in this chart we can see the support line it has is exactly at 5,955 rupees. So it is plotting exactly at those levels. As you can see, this is a area of support and this becomes the area of resistance. Now this also plots the difference between the support and resistance from the current market price, and we can change the number of support and resistance that we want on the on the chart. So if we use hourly chart, it will plot the hourly support and resistance based on the data that it has. If we use the 5-minute chart, then it can plot the 5-minute support and resistance that it has. We can use the daily chart also to mark the support and resistance. Let's talk about mentorship. Now we are going to start fresh mentorship program of June 2022 batch from 5th of June, that is on weekends only. Now we are going to learn about three different swing trading strategies and understand the concept of stage analysis plus relative strength. We will also understand the concept of moving averages and how moving averages can help you to improve your trading. This is a course for people those who are interested in swing and positional trading and do not have much idea about fundamentals as well as technicals, because we are going to cover the basics of technical analysis also along with advanced technical analysis. Now we are also going to talk about position sizing, risk management and psychology, where most of the people are failing. As a bonus, you will get 3 months of Telegram private subscription that is absolutely for free of cost, and you can have my services for 3 months where you can ask your queries. We'll have weekend query sessions also, and you will be able to directly contact me on WhatsApp as well as Telegram. So if you are interested to learn more about swing trading as well as positional trading and you do not know where to start, this is a program that can help you to identify your hidden talents. And I look forward to most of the people, and most of the people have liked the program and they have improved their trading a lot.